beautiful people, have I got your attention? Sit up straight, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up a free lead capture page for your affiliate traffic brokers marketing system. Okay, so it's totally optional. It's definitely something that I highly recommend because it is free, number one. But inside of Leads Leap, you're going to actually be able to go in and start promoting your affiliate traffic brokers marketing system as well. And so it's free. And so if you guys are right on your thank you page, you guys are on the page that I sent you guys. You got your own website now. And maybe you already got your own page creator software or whatever. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this, right? Because it's only a few simple steps. And I think that it will make this process a lot simpler and easier. Again, if you got your own lead capture page creation software, it's fine. But right on this page, on the page that I actually sent you guys inside of this membership, you guys will find that there's going to be a lot more information on this page about how you guys can actually set up your own follow-up email campaign as well. Okay, so guys, let's get right into the video. Okay, so here's the actual capture page that you guys can actually pick up right now, absolutely free. And so inside, you'll just be able to click inside of your actual product package. You'll just be able to click and you'll be able to go over to Leads Leap. And I'm going to walk you guys on how to set this up, because this actual lead capture page is the actual lead capture page. I actually have two of them that I'm giving you guys. And it's the actual lead capture page that I lead with for the affiliate traffic brokers, okay? And it's the one that you can lead with. And it's going to make the whole process simpler and easier. And it really, I don't know. I'll imagine it's probably going to take you guys probably about 5 minutes to do it. So this actual lead capture page redirects to your affiliate traffic brokers $25 membership. Your website. I created one for you just like this. It has your payment process or however you chose to get paid. It has those down here. Okay, now this is mine. But yours will be loaded with your information. So what we want to do is take that lead capture page and simply redirect it to this page. Okay, very simple. You want to be able to capture leads because you can start building a list that way, right? So understand, we want to take our lead capture page for the affiliate traffic brokers marketing system, and we want to redirect it to our affiliate traffic brokers sales page. Okay, very simple with your information. Now, how do we do that, guys? So what I've done, guys, is I've taken the liberty to give you guys what's known as share codes. Now, with these share codes is what's going to happen is you're going to use these share codes and stand over my shoulder and watch me. I'm going to pop these share codes in, and that's what's going to connect that lead capture page to your actual sales page. Now, I got a bonus lead capture page down here. You guys will find the code for that. Now, let me make a special note while I'm at it. The process that I'm going through right now is the exact same process that you will actually go through anytime you want to set up a page inside of Leads Leap. And we talk a lot about the level of creativity with no ceiling. Well, inside of Leads Leap, there is a level of creativity with no ceiling, because you can go in and create your own lead capture pages, right? You can go in and create your own automated marketing system, sales funnel, products, services, whatever you want to do. You can do it inside of Leads Leap. Understand that the process, right, for setting up your own pages, particularly when it comes to the share codes, will always be the same. And if you guys have been inside the actual marketing systems and you've seen some of the different marketing systems that I've actually put together for you guys inside of traffic brokers, then you already know that there are lots and lots and lots of ideas and lots available to you in terms of capture pages. And I give you guys the share codes for all of them. But if you ever want to go in and do that, once you've done it, you'll know how to do it in your sleep. And you'll do it where share codes are concerned by using the share codes. And I'm going to show you guys how to go in and create your own pages. If you don't want to use the pages that I actually have available for you guys, that's fine too. Okay. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and create that Leads Leap account so you can stand over my shoulder and watch me do it. And you're redirecting from that page to here, right? And so what you want to do is make sure you just follow along. And remember, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your lead capture page for the affiliate traffic broker to your affiliate traffic broker sales page. And here are the share codes. So I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to go to and set up your Leads Leap account. And we're going to talk a little bit about what you also going to find right on your page, right? The page I sent you to unlock everything. And that is an actual follow-up email campaign. Okay, so there's a share code for that as well. And there's the share code for that. And in the next video, I'm going to walk you guys through setting that up. And equally as explosive and important, because you can import an entire done for you email follow-up campaign. And that campaign, you will just go in and you'll edit. And I'll show you guys how to do that. And you can actually fire this thing up. And you literally can have it up and going, rocking the funnel. I don't know, probably guys within the next 30 minutes. Okay, so if you guys are logged into Leads Leap, you set your account up, you should already be set up. You should be inside your Leads Leap. Now, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to come down to where it says Page Manager. You got a Page Builder over, if you look at it over to the left, and then you got Page Manager. And I'm going to click Page Manager, because once you click Page Manager, this is how you're going to import that capture page that you're going to use for your affiliate traffic brokers marketing system into your Leads Leap membership. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to create a brand new page just for you guys. Okay, so you guys can see me do this. Of course, I got the pages already inside of my Leads Leap membership, but I want you guys to import them inside of your Leads Leap membership. So when you get to your page manager, you see where it says add a new campaign. We're going to click add a new campaign. And we're going to call this demo. Okay, the demo lead capture page. How about that, guys? So demo lead capture page. It's the page you're going to set up for your affiliate traffic brokers capture page. I'm calling it my demo lead capture page. You name it whatever you want, and then hit add new. Okay. After you add new, guys, it's going to be a really simple process. In a millisecond, the page is going to actually populate. You'll see it. There it goes. Right. And if you look over here, there it goes. The demo, right? Lead capture page. I'm going to enlarge my screen just a little bit. I think I'm going to enlarge my screen a little bit. My computer, guys, sometimes, well, okay, so there we go. There's the page, right? Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, when you do that, is come to, maybe I might make the page smaller. See where it says add a new step? You just added the new campaign, right? And you call it the demo lead capture page. So now you're going to come right below that and hit add a new page to start. I'm going to click add a new page to start. I'm glad I enlarged the page because you guys can see it a lot better. And when you're inside your Leads Leap membership, you'll see just how easy this is. You know, you're just following right along. So when we go to add a new page to start, you're going to get this field, right? Now, add a new blank page, or you can import using share codes. If you wanted to add a blank page, guys, and I highly recommend you guys go over here when you talk about the blank pages, go over there and see what you got, right, available to you guys. Really, it's really literally a bank, right, filled with different lead capture pages and sales funnels, you know what I mean, thank you pages. Anything you can possibly imagine, you'll have it over here on the left side. Go in there and check it out at your leisure. Right now, we're just going to concentrate on share codes, and we're going to enter a share code so we can get that lead capture page, okay? So I'm going to go back up to my share codes, and I should have them still inside. And here's the share code for that page. I'm going to simply highlight that actual share code. Then I'm going to go back inside my Leads Leap membership where it says import a share code. I'm going to paste that share code, and I'm going to hit import now. Once I've done that, guys, just like the lead capture page itself populated down that new page to start, it would have populated too. Now I'm going to take my screen down just a little bit because I really want you guys to see this. Okay, so now once that's done, guys, it is now ready. If you look off over here to the right, you'll see at the bottom where the status is, it says active. Make sure that this page says active, guys. And once you've done this, it should say active. If for some reason it doesn't, guys, click the little button right here, right? And it'll make it active for you, okay? Now that we've done that, guys, let's go and check that page, the demo lead capture page, to see if it is actually, if my computer ever wakes up, imported into my membership. So I'm going to click it. and it should take me right back to that page. And there you go, guys. You just imported your affiliate traffic broker lead capture page into your Leads membership. And that's just how simple that is. Now, what do you want to do next, guys? You remember, you want to take your sales page for the affiliate traffic broker marketing system, and you want it to connect right back to that page. So let's move this over so we can stay on point, right? So let's go grab our sales page, right, which is right here. I'm going to move that over. Move it a little bit more. Well, after it stops doing what it's doing. Okay, we're going to move it over one more because there's your sales page right up here at the top. Right? Now, what's going to happen is you're going to go back into that actual lead capture page that you just created. But you're going to come down to where it says launch the editor, okay? So you're going to go back to whatever you named the page. You just imported it. And go to launch the editor. You're going to click launch editor. Because once you launch the editor, guys, you'll be able to edit the actual lead capture page. And all lead capture pages redirect or should have the capability of redirecting to wherever it is you want them to go, right? From your lead capture page, you're simply redirecting to your thank you page, your bridge page, whatever you want to call it, but there it is. Let me make my screen go down just a little. And there it is. Now you can edit this page. And if you come over here up to the top left, I'm going to give you guys a minute because you know, your screen's been, you see where I'm circling around and you hit list. This is where you do the redirect. Very simple, right? You'll come inside of his field, see where it says redirect URL immediately after opt-in. That's exactly what we're going to put in there. I already got something in there, guys, because this is a demo page and it's already been set up. But you're going to make sure that that field is completely empty, right? And then you're going to go grab your sales page for the affiliate traffic broker marketing system. And you're going to come back inside of Leads, and you're going to pop that sales page right inside that field. And you're going to come over to the right, and you're going to hit save. The system's going to let you know work's been saved up top. You know, okay. I always do this twice, guys, just to make sure. I hit save again. And again, the system's going to let you know it's saved. And there is the lead capture. There is your sales page. Okay, we know the work is saved. Let's take it out and just make sure I put it in. I'm going to pop it over into the browser. I'm going to hit paste. And it should be my sales page. And this is exactly how you're going to redirect your lead capture page to your sales page, right? You're going to go back, save. System's going to let you know it's saved. We're going to go back. Boom. It is done, guys. It is finished. Now, in the next video, guys, we're going to talk about setting up that follow-up email list, because once you've set this lead capture page up and you redirect it to your thank you page, your sales page, then you want to make sure that you have those connected to a list, right? Because we're building a list. And so as people start to feed into your marketing system for the affiliate traffic broker marketing system, and they're being redirected to your sales page, you also want to bring them onto your list. And so I'm going to click that so you guys can see once we've created a list, which we're going to do in the next video, I'm going to give you guys an automated follow-up email campaign. Then you'll have a list, right? And once you've done that, once you follow me along in that step, whatever you name, whatever list you created, because you're going to create a name of list, it'll be housed in here. And whatever list you want to redirect to over time, you'll probably have several, particularly if you are an upgraded member inside of Leads, then you'll just be able to put the list you want in there. Did you guys see that? So I'm going to go back to get list ID, and I'm going to come down to my affiliate traffic brokers list, because that's my affiliate traffic brokers list, and it ends in 282. So I'm going to hit it. If you look up here, you'll see there's the list, right? That's the list ID. That's the list that these people coming onto my list will now be integrated with. And so those follow-up emails will just simply drip on those prospects as they come into my list, right? So I hope that makes sense to you guys. And so I'm really, really, really excited about being able to put this together. And I'm really, really excited about the simplicity of you guys being able to do it as well. And in record-breaking time, because it really takes mere seconds to do it. So now, guys, you now have your affiliate traffic brokers lead capture page connected to your actual sales page, right? You've now connected them. And again, if you guys missed those share codes, there they are. Just feel free to bring the screen up. make sure you import those share codes into your actual marketing system. Make sure that this page is actually redirecting to this page, right? Don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore. And guys, it's as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it made lots of sense. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll talk about those done for you email follow-up campaigns. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you on that video.